Inner strength is the greatest and noblest virtue mankind possesses. This inner strength evolves through a perfect mix of classroom and physical education. Overall education enhances intelligence and cultivates confidence. Our inner strength and acquired intelligence together gives birth to noble power. For almost 100 years, we have constantly strived to acquire this noble virtue as part of our growth and development. We are Hanuman Vyayam Prasarak Mandal. In the heartland of India, in Vidarbha, the small town of Amravati beheld two gems, the Vaidya brothers, Ananta Krishna and Ambadas Krishna, two visionary brothers who would give the notion of freedom struggle a new vigor and new spirit. In the year 1914, the Vaidya brothers started a small gymnastic club called Hanuman Health Club. This was an effort not only to promote healthy way of living, but also to provide youth for India's freedom struggle. This social and patriotic endeavor has now transformed into a multidisciplinary institute bringing together traditional Indian values of physical education and modern curriculum of systematic mainstream education.
Under the able leadership and guidance of Honorable General Secretary Padma Shri Prabhakar Ambadas Vaidya, HVPM has touched new heights. Being a strict disciple and exponent of physical education from the very beginning, Honorable General Secretary Padma Shri Prabhakar Ambadas Vaidya was instrumental in propagating importance of physical education as a way of healthy living and social empowerment. His noble pursuit and endeavor was recognized when he was conferred with Padma Shri in the year 2012 by the Government of India.
आगे बढ़ो, सबसे आगे बढ़ो, करते रहो, देखा जाएगा, ये हमारा नाम है। और जिसके वजह से हम आगे जा रहे हैं, पॉजिटिव नेचर होना चाहिए आदमी का। अरे हमारे पास पैसे नहीं, कैसा होगा? अरे होगा, क्यों नहीं होगा? तो दिल का लखपति है, आएगा पैसा तो अच्छा काम कर, भगवान तुझे देगी। और दे रहे 100 साल में यही एग्जाम्पल है। अब ये हम कर रहे हैं, ये है हमारा तरीका काम करने का।
यह हमारे लिए प्रेरणा का स्रोत है। राह में चाहे कितनी भी मुश्किलें आए, इसी की प्रेरणा से हम मुश्किलों को दूर करते हैं और हमेशा आगे बढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं। ये बहुत बड़ा मंत्र है, ऐसा ही हम कहना चाहेंगे, जो हर एक के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है अपने जीवन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए।
करते रहो, देखा जाएगा। डर से मुक्ति के लिए ये सबसे अच्छा नारा है। जिसके पास साहस है वो कोई भी चीज टॉप लेवल की वर्ल्ड में कर सकता है।
Nalam Upasana, that is, worship the strength. Strength is the backbone of our health. Without strength, health cannot be prolonged.
HVPM has always been inspiring many to follow the path of courage and sacrifice. HVPM's mission and vision from the beginning has been to propagate social service, education, physical health and patriotism in the youth of the nation. Another important objective of HVPM is to achieve salvation from social evils, salvation from lack of knowledge, salvation from exploitation. HVPM has continually contributed to the society, especially for the underprivileged and vulnerable sections like children, women, drought-affected farmers and orphans. 20 minutes from the proposed international airport and 10 minutes drive from Amravati railway station, HVPM is spread over 150 acres of land. The infrastructure development in HVPM can be broadly classified into two main categories: sports and physical education oriented and mainstream education oriented. Ranging from the modern sports to the traditional games, HVPM has plethora of games and sports for a student of physical education to choose from and pursue. HVPM has been successful in building an Olympic-sized swimming pool. National and international scale events are held in this infrastructure at regular intervals. HVPM has an indoor gymnasium with modern equipments that are constantly being updated. The judo and wrestling infrastructure is the best in the country. HVPM can boast of the best wrestling infrastructure in the country today. The aerobics infrastructure has been kept up to date with the latest addition in equipment and support mechanism. HVPM has been on the forefront in promoting traditional sports not only as a subject but also as a separate division of its physical education program. From the early days of HVPM, akhada for traditional wrestling exponents have been a mainstay. Malkham infrastructure has always helped young people to remain fit and healthy. It also caters to the wrestlers in traditional format. HVPM has a successful boxing program and updated infrastructure. HVPM boasts of an open stadium with a built-up spectator area that can hold up to 20,000 spectators at a single event. A large and spacious indoor stadium named after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose caters to multiple disciplines like table tennis and badminton. A fully operational cricket ground is also available. To cater to the huge number of students and staff, a fully operational kitchen capable of catering to over 3,000 people 3 times a day is fully functional. A big enough canteen that can serve more than 1,000 people at a single sitting. Under the Degree College of Physical Education Division, HVPM has many mainstream education degree disciplines like undergraduate, graduate, masters and postgraduate diploma courses. GCPED looks towards the future with endless confidence.
क्रीड़ा विद्यापीठ की स्थापना करना, अलग अलग गेमों के लिए स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी की स्थापना करना, उसी के साथ साथ व्यायाम का प्रचार प्रसार हेतु राष्ट्रीय तथा अंतर्राष्ट्रीय टूर का आयोजन करना, ये सारे कार्यक्रम हमारे आगामी वर्षों में हमें करने हैं.
HVPM was the first to start MCA courses in the whole of Vidarbha and they are successfully running it. The MCA division has an in-house software development wing that not only caters to all in-house demands but has successfully installed and provided support to multiple requirements of clients from outside. Against the industry norms of placing freshers and trainee programs, HVPM students passing out of the MCA degree courses are given direct employment thanks to the updated course curriculum. HVPM has many schools and colleges with various faculties catering to multiple branches of modern curriculum.
HVPM, as they said, will be completing 100 years. So any institution which lasts there for 100 years, it speaks of itself. And I am very proud that this institute is associated with my university. What we call it is Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. So I am really proud of that institute.
In the year 2002, HVPM started College of Engineering and Technology. HVPM started this department to mold and provide today's youth for the nation's progress and a better tomorrow.
हमारा इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में सब प्रकार की पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट होती है और प्लेसमेंट में भी ऐसी ही बात है। हम सिर्फ इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में एकेडमिक्स लेते नहीं है, उनका जो पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट है इसके भी क्लासेस, हम सॉफ्ट स्किल के क्लासेस हमारे यहाँ शुरू रहते हैं, जो कि हमारे टाइम टेबल में इंक्लूड है। उसके साथ साथ योगा और मेडिटेशन का भी जो पीरियड है वो भी टाइम टेबल में इंक्लूड है।
COET is known for the discipline and security it provides.
जहाँ तक सिक्योरिटी का सवाल है वो भी संस्था का पहले से बेस रहा है और इसके ही कारण आज जितने भी एडमिशन है उसमें 70% जो एडमिशन है वो गर्ल्स की रहती है हमारे यहाँ पे हरदम। इसका कारण ही यह है कि जो पेरेंट्स है उनका फेथ पूरा संस्था पे है, डिसिप्लिन पे है, यहाँ के सिक्योरिटी पे है और यहाँ के डेडिकेशन पे है।
HVPM has always emphasized on using the latest technology available.
वर्चुअल क्लासरूम मीन्स जितने भी एक्सपर्ट लोग हैं, जो भी सब्जेक्ट के एक्सपर्ट लोग हैं, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम इंजीनियरिंग सब्जेक्ट, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट, जितने भी सब्जेक्ट है, यूएस में रहो, वर्ल्ड में कहीं भी रहो, ग्लोब में कहीं भी रहो, इंडिया में रहो, मुंबई में रहो, वहाँ से वो बात कर सकते हैं और वो हमारे इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के स्क्रीन पे हम उसे देख सकते हैं और उनसे इंटरेक्ट भी कर सकते हैं। ऐसा वर्चुअल क्लासरूम पूरे विदर्भ में, अमरावती में, HVPM में सबसे पहली बार हमने लॉन्च किया है।
In future, COET will focus on technology-related growth like eco-friendly waste management, green power generation, and tie-ups with foreign universities.
In 2010, HVPM started full-fledged MBA courses to broaden the academic curriculum for aspiring students. HVPM feels proud to have started MBA with elective in sports management, pharmaceutical management, healthcare management, along with conventional electives like financial, marketing and human resource management.
Yoga and Naturopathy College was primarily started to promote the concept of healthy living. This department has not only made a mark for itself, but is known for its updated treatment methods and well-trained staff. It has an additional supporting infrastructure facilities like jacuzzi and steam bath. Bachelor of Ayurveda Medicine and Surgery, BAMS College was started in the year 1931 to promote the traditional healing sciences and know-how of ancient India. It was taken over by HVPM in the year 1983. Tribal schools have been the pride of HVPM in the social upliftment and community support. Concentrating on protecting the tribal knowledge and know-how, these schools provide residential facility for all tribal students, thus ensuring that the much neglected community in our society are given a fair chance to develop and flourish. HVPM has been successfully running 4 schools for the tribal kids at Granted Ashram Shala, Hatru, Granted Adivasi Kanya Ashram Shala, Gaurkheda, Shri Ramakrishna Ashram Shala, Amravati, Post Basic Ashram Shala, Harisal, HVPM runs orphanages for children with an aim to achieve complete rehabilitation of all those who come under HVPM's care. These helpless orphans are given systematic education, all-round development and care.
अमरावती भाग में यानी विदर्भ में 10 साल के दरमियान 30,000 किसान गुजर गए, आत्महत्या की। प्रशासन और पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये उनके लिए कुछ कर नहीं पाए।
In May 2007, HVPM started Shetkari Jagrati Abhiyan, a counseling and training center for farmers and their youth in distress in 6 affected districts of Vidarbha. The reason to commit suicide could be attributed to many factors. Due to nature's wrath, continued sterility, bankruptcy, dearth of sprinkle facilities, low rates for grains and agricultural products, apathy of countryside, and lack of confidence amongst farmers. Future outlook of Shetkari Jagrati Abhiyan is to provide focused training on agroeconomics, organic farming, setting up of dairy awareness campaign, various agro schemes.
अमरावती शहर में एक लड़की को उसके प्रेमी ने घर में घुसकर जलाकर उसकी हत्या कर दी थी। इस पार्श्वभूमि को लेकर हेल्पलाइन की स्थापना पद्मश्री श्री प्रभाकर राव जी वैद्य ने की है।
The concept of women empowerment was included in the agenda at the very inception of HVPM's initiative.
जैसे फैमिली में सास ससुर या हस्बैंड महिलाओं को तकलीफ देते हैं, पैसा लाने के लिए मजबूर कर देते हैं, ऐसी स्थिति में भी हेल्पलाइन उनको मदद करती है।
HVPM has been dedicatedly working for the upliftment and empowerment of women by means of free consultancy and an infrastructure which supports the initiative.
आज के युग में महिला सक्षम तरीके से खड़ी रहे, इसलिए संस्था में अलग अलग क्लासेस हम लेते हैं, जैसे पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट है, वैल्यू बेस्ड एजुकेशन।
HVPM is very happy for the success this initiative has garnered till date. It has brought about a new sunshine in the life of these women who were only used to live in the darkness of the atrocities committed against them. Childline Support Program, wherein information about children used for illegal purposes or undesired labor requirements can call up the dedicated toll-free number 1098 and pass on the information to the faculty at HVPM.
जो बच्चे घर से भाग जाते हैं या खो जाते हैं, उनको सुरक्षित तरीके से घर पहुंचाने के लिए मदद करने के लिए चाइल्ड लाइन की स्थापना हुई। जहां पर भी ऐसे बच्चे मिलते हैं, उनको हमारे चाइल्ड लाइन के सेंटर में लाया जाता है, उनके घर वालों का पता निकाला जाता है और सुरक्षित तरीके से उनके घर वालों को उनको सुपुर्द किया जाता है।
This program not only deals in identifying and saving the hapless children from those situations, but also has designed a well-charted process in which the child is given free education, physical well-being, food and accommodation. HVPM has always been there for social service initiatives like disaster management, programs of awareness towards social values, communal harmony by propagating Hindu-Muslim unity. The obstacles are numerous and the challenge is colossal. But HVPM, under the guidance of its management and supportive staff, looks towards the future with endless courage, confidence and sense of sacrifice. Hanuman Vyayam Prasarak Mandal, celebrating 100 years of success and glory.
आगे बढ़ो, कोई ना रोक पाएगा, करते रहो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा। जीतने की है हमको आदत, हर घड़ी है ये दिल में चाह, कतरे से सागर ये भर जाएगा। सलाम मिलता जाएगा, सलाम मिलता जाएगा, सलाम मिलता जाएगा, सलाम मिलता जाएगा।
Thank you.